First, let's watch a quick demo. I'm opening the folder now to show you the exact high-quality result you can expect from this tool. Here is the output video. It's a professional tech quiz with a smooth countdown timer that instantly grabs your viewer's attention. Notice the link in bio text. This layout is designed to drive traffic and boost engagement. The timer keeps the audience watching until the end. This retention strategy is crucial for the YouTube Shorts and Reels algorithm. After the answer is revealed, let's switch over to the browser. I've uploaded this exact tool on Gumroad so you can download it today. This is the Viral Quiz Generator. It allows you to create these 3D animated videos instantly. It features a one-click render system and premium templates, so no manual editing is required. You get the complete source code, a step-by-step PDF guide, and ready-to-use data files now. I've set the pricing to be very affordable. You can choose self-install or add support help. This package includes full autopilot capabilities and a commercial license for personal use. If you want to build an automation empire, this tool is your solution. It eliminates the complex technical work for you completely. Everything is optimized for high performance, allowing you to generate hundreds of unique videos for your YouTube channel easily. Stop wasting time on manual editing. Grab this deal on Gumroad today to start scaling your content production workflow right now. Check the description for the link. I'm excited to see what you create with Witcuts tools. Don't forget to like and subscribe. To get this tool, check the link in the description. If you need specific features like multi-language support, extra categories, or any other modifications, feel free to reach out. You can email your requirements to the address below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.